Hello again. It's been a while. Quite a while, hasn't it?
It's been a very long time. It's been about 3 years, I think.
It's been 3 years. That's been a long time. We weren't planning on being out this long, were we?
No, but we've been busy. We had plenty to do and...
A lot to do. A lot of wheels,
Yeah.
roll cages. We just didn't have the time to post, film. So we've got a bit of a break now, so we thought we might start it all up again, didn't we?
We've had quite a few messages on Instagram and social media and stuff asking where we are. I didn't really think people cared that much about why we haven't been posting or wanted to see us that much, but clearly they do.
So thank you everyone for asking. We do appreciate it.
We really appreciate all the people that have stayed to subscribe to us, and especially the ones who've been asking where our videos are.
Today we're going to show you what you're doing, which is the Brisca Formula 2 stock cars, aren't we?
Yeah, so in the break that we've had, we started stock car racing again. So it was always the intention at some point to start racing. You might have seen in the background of the videos the stock car that was sat there covered in dust that was about a 7-year build and it was supposed to be 6 months.
Did you tell people that long?
No,
I think I built one and sold it, didn't I?
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah. The 7-year-old car that was sat there, that you probably saw in the background of a lot of the videos.
It actually only took 2 months to build that bit and sat there for 7 years.
After a good kick up the arse, it took a lot of effort and a lot of motivation to get us, to get you to do it anyway.
I think it took you to say, I'm racing again, I'm going to get stuck into it on my own, and then I felt guilty, so I thought I'd better help her.
I think it was guilt more than anything. That is why you helped me, because I think all the late nights and the Saturday evenings and late into the night that I stayed here by myself, I think eventually you thought, oh, better help her.
But to be fair, you built a good car.
Thank you. Even though everyone thinks you built it.
I do. But I think I only just helped you with the finishing off bits, but most of the steel work you done, didn't you?
Yeah, that's probably why I kept breaking.
I don't know, you had some good results in it. You didn't get your win, but you got some good results.
Yeah, it didn't go too bad, but I think we just got to a point where it was just like, we had so many new ideas and so many new things that we wanted to put into a car, and it was going to take too much to alter that one, so that's why we thought...
We'll have a fresh build.
Yeah, after a couple of seasons, we thought we'll take a bit of time out over the winter, and we started on a new car. So basically this video is just going to be showing you how we got on with it, basically. Showing you what we've been up to the last few years, as well as we've been doing wheels as well. Never stopped doing wheels, I've always been busy. I think what was the last video we uploaded? Would that have been...
Red Escort?
Red Escort, God.
Long time ago that's been gone.
That was a good car though, good build.
Yeah.
But yeah, we thought we'd get ourselves motivated again. Try and get some more videos uploaded for you guys, so you can just see what we're getting up to, because obviously in one way or another, or for some reason, that you want to see what we're getting up to, and we, like we said, we really appreciate that.
And it's also good for us to look back on what we've done as well, so it's a good document of what we're up to.
Yeah, definitely. So we've got some exciting things lined up as always. Probably some not so exciting stuff that we've got to do for work, but
we've got some projects. We've got probably 3 or 4 projects to do, which are some really good exciting builds.
Some for customers, some for ourselves. So hopefully we can bring you along with that, and hopefully,
So in this video, basically in this video, we're going to show you what the second build of the car, innit?
Yeah. And also we've been moaned at, we must mention as well. Not only is it myself racing, we now have my little sister racing as well. She's in the background telling me that I need to mention it. So she's been racing for the last year or year and a half or so. She's now 16, so she's now going to be moving into the adult formulas as well, hopefully joining me at some point. So you never know, we might get around to building her a car at some point. Now
she's been racing the Nissan Micra Junior rods, hasn't she?
Yeah, and now she's starting to learn how to weld and fabricate and stuff as well. You never know, you might see her at some point building her own car.
So let's get into this video and show you what we've been up to. can't go no further back than that because we don't want that to hit that. That come up.
So after the first win, we got a nice fair few top 10 places. I was really pleased with the car. Like Dad said, everything was going really well. Went to Scunthorpe. Car was going really well, and the fuel pump earth came off and stopped pumping fuel around, which ruined my race. Put me in the constellation where I ended up with a bent up axle, broken half shaft, and God knows what other damage after getting piled into the wall. So that was lovely. Back onto Lynn. Never had a lot of luck at Lynn. First lap of the first race of the night, and I ended up in a bit of a pile up. It wasn't too bad, but unfortunately resulted in me breaking my wrist, so that put me out for the rest of the year. This was about a month ago now, where I've been out racing, which is really rubbish. But at the same time, I also went up to yellow. So I started that meeting off as a yellow grade, which is the next one up from sort of the novices, which was really, really good. I was really happy with that. And then I went out and broke my arm. So that put me out for the rest of the season, which is really, really rubbish. However, that has given us, or gifted us, I should say, a lot more time. So we've now got more time to be in the workshop, more time for YouTube. So hopefully we can start getting some videos out to you guys a lot more regularly, hopefully.